We come once again to another episode of your weekly public service segment. This is where we highlight different motoring problems being sent to us or we ourselves encounter while on the road. Last week, we discussed about the helmet law. In this photo, the back rider, who happens to be a policeman, is not wearing a helmet. This week, we have invited Director Francis Almora of the LTO Law Enforcement Service and asked how the implementation of the helmet law is.
The helmet law is continuously being implemented by LTO nationwide. So there are some measures that there are some bills that were passed on the use of the helmet, but in general, everybody agrees that helmet is very useful in preventing accidents or death resulting from accidents. So on the part of LTO, we could not have any action to defer or not to implement the law. So it is expected that for LTO and its deputized enforcers, we will always implement the helmet law.
He also reiterates that the LTO doesn't only apprehend those who are not wearing helmets, but more so, riders who are not wearing ICC-passed helmets.
Definitely, if there is a rider that is not using a helmet, then we apprehend them. But not only that one. If we notice that the helmet is not standard, then we check on the ICC or the PS markings to make sure that the helmet is safe. Because if that helmet did not comply with the standard, then it might aggravate the injuries of a person because it will break in case of accident. So we also have to check on that. The LTO also is also checking on this.
And lastly, he narrates the different penalties if one violates the helmet law.
Sa unang tatlong pagkakataon, the first 3 violations or apprehensions will just be fine. On the 4th violation, the confiscation of license. If you are a recidivist or you are continuously violating the helmet law, then there is a chance that your license may be revoked, suspended or revoked. It ranges from 1,000 to 3,000.
Thank you, LTO Director Francis Almora, for your valuable insights regarding the helmet law. And just a reminder to all the riders, the LTO is strictly implementing this law. Always make sure to wear standardized helmets to keep you safe.